Friday the 10th of April 2026 over at the Douglas Family Preserve here in Santa Barbara, California. Just out for a morning ride before the rain comes in. Nice little trail areas up on the bluff here. We're going to be heading over towards the ocean here in just a minute. Enjoy having my front fender on here now, not getting pelted with rocks anymore, which is really nice. Now we're breaking out towards the ocean over here. Henry's County Beach down here, looking towards Goleta. UCSB is over at the end there. Looking out across the channel, Santa Cruz Island straight across. Definitely getting some weather coming in here. The Artemis capsule is going to splash down at 8 o'clock tonight off the San Diego coast. Hopefully they have good weather for that, but this is looking back up towards Santa Barbara here.